walk into your medicine practical and the examiner says, "Show me your CNS kit," and you hesitate for even 1 second, that confidence drop is real. Your CNS kit isn't just a box of tools, it's your entire CNS examination, your neurological examination for one entire case to check for reflex arcs, sensory pathways, cranial nerves, our good old UMN and LMN signs. In this video, I will open this CNS kit for my final year MBPS exam. I have my practical exam tomorrow, and I'll explain what each item tests and how to describe it properly in the Viva. So let's get into it. So now I'm going to open the box. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is a reflex hammer. It's used to assess deep tendon reflexes during neurological examination. With this, I can assess the biceps, triceps, the supinator, knee jerk, and ankle jerk reflexes to evaluate the integrity of the reflex arc, including the sensory nerve, spinal cord segment, and the motor nerve. The rubber head is used to gently tap on the tendon. You just tap on the tendon. I don't have the knee over here, so anyways. The back or the pointed end, this one, it is used to elicit superficial reflexes like the plantar reflex. It has a brush inside, which is used to assess light touch sensation during the sensory examination. By assessing these reflexes, I can differentiate between the upper motor neuron and the lower motor neuron lesions. So this instrument basically, it plays a key role in localizing neurological lesions during clinical examination. It's very important. Don't forget to take this with you. Anyways, this is the rubber head, which you use to tap. And this is the blunt part where you can just, use it to elicit the plantar response, the reflex on the foot. You know how to do it, right? Then, well, you have to open this. How do you open it? So I'm trying to open this. There you go. And when I open it, there's a small brush. This is a brush. So what else do we have here? Okay. This looks like just a normal test tube, nothing dramatic, but in your CNS examination, it plays one of the most important role. So I have got two test tubes. One will be filled with some maybe warm water and another with cold. And I'll touch the patient's skin and ask, is this hot or cold? It's a simple question, but there's deep science involved. This tests the spinothalamic tract, which carries pain and temperature sensation. If a patient can't differentiate temperature, it can point towards peripheral neuropathy or even a spinal cord lesion. Always start distally, compare both sides, and move systematically upwards to identify a sensory level. It's just a small tube but gives you huge, big neurological clues. This is how basic tools like these can turn into clinical localization. This is my tuning fork, 128 Hz tuning fork. It looks basic, very basic, but it tells you so much about the nervous system. I will strike it gently, maybe on my elbow, like this, and place it on a bony area, like the medial malleolus. And then I'll ask the patient to tell me when they feel the vibration and when it stops. What I'm really checking is the vibration sense, which travels through the posterior dorsal columns of the spinal cord. If it is reduced distally, especially in the feet, it can suggest some sort of peripheral neuropathy. It's such a small tool, but it helps you localize lesions clinically without any machines. Just skill and understanding, proper understanding. You also need your tuning forks for your ENT practicals, where you have to test. You have to do the Rennie's and the Weber's test, also the ABC. What else do I have here? This is the torchlight. And why do you need a torchlight for your CNS examination? So basically you need it to check for your pupillary reflexes. Pupillary reflexes can be both direct and consensual. Also, if you need to see something in better light, you can use your torchlight. So this is the measuring tape. It is very essential because you have to measure the girth of the limbs. Also, you need it for your respiratory system examination, where you're going to check the girth of the thorax. You have to check the girth of the abdomen in your abdomen examination. So a measuring tape is an absolute essential for your medicine practical. And well, I have got my gloves over here. These are the gloves. Why do you need gloves? Okay, there are like 2 pairs of gloves over here. So, well, obviously hygiene. So you have to maintain basic hygiene during the examination. So you might need your gloves, but when you're doing the abdominal examination, all you have to use your bare hands because they need to be warm. So you have to like rub your hands and do the abdominal examination. So we're done with the gloves, and what do we have next? We have okay, this is a tourniquet. A tourniquet. There you go. This is a tourniquet. It has a Velcro. I want it open. Anyway. It's very. Yeah, there you go. So this is a tourniquet. Okay. So this was everything inside my CNS kit, and this is something you can't not take with you for your medicine practical and viva. If you don't take it, then you're going to lose marks, because what if you get a CNS case? What if you do get it? So don't forget to take this with you when you have your medicine practical, like I have my practical exam tomorrow. So if you liked the video and if you found it helpful, do let me know in the comments, and if you have any doubts, also mention them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.